Hey folks, welcome to Software Testing Hacks. In this video, we will learn what is method overloading in Java. Before we begin, if you have not subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe to the channel. Let's begin. So in the last video, we saw how to add two numbers via methods, right? So there we added two numbers. But what if I want to add another number, like three numbers? What can I do? So I again have to pass another number, okay, in C, and I have to return the sum of A, B, and C like this, right? And also I have to pass another parameter here, say num3, and along with that I have to declare it and assign a value to it, num3, which is equal to say 2. Okay, let's add this number. Let's run this. So now we were able to add three numbers without any issue, right? We were, but suppose now we added three numbers, but what if I again want to add two numbers only? Then again it would be a problem, right? So for that, again I have to create another class. Say, let's copy the same and then add numbers, but here I'll just pass two parameters. Okay, and then I'll remove this. So you might be thinking, I have added the same uh, method, but only the difference is the parameter, right? So that is what the method overloading is. In Java, we have an option to overload a particular method by passing different set of parameters, which means that we can use the same um, method but by passing different set of parameters. Here I can pass three parameter, that is absolutely fine, and also I can use the same method and I can overload it with different set of parameters. That is possible in Java. This is called as method overloading. And also if I want to add two numbers, I can just go and int say result1 is equal to num dot add numbers. Here also I can see we got two numbers, which is, let's say let's add num1 comma num3. So this should also work perfectly fine without any issues. Num3, and also we will print this value. So let's run this now. It worked perfectly fine without any issue. So that means that with method overloading concept, we can overload a specific method with different set of parameters. Suppose say I want to add a method number which is of type different type. Say int, instead of int, I want to add, let's check that. Okay, here I just want to add a double number, a number which is double. That is also possible. But if I try to add int and int again, I mean with the same set of data type, then it is not allowed. Here it throws an error. You can see that duplicate method it is saying. But if the data type is different, if I use the data type double, then it should work perfectly fine. So here it is throwing an error. Why? Because there is a mismatch. Here we have double. So here also we have to use double, then it will be returning a double value. That's the reason. Okay, here also we'll have to use double. Now it should work perfectly fine. Let's add this. Here also we'll have to return the value double. Let's see it as result 2, and we will add num1 and num2. Let's see what will be the output, because it will return in the value double. Let's see what will be the result now. Yeah, you can see that. Now we got the value in double number. We can add it with different combination of data types, but with not with the same type of parameters. Okay, it should be different. Either a data type should be different, or else the parameterization should be same. But here in this case, if we see here, we are passing int and int, but also along with that we have another int type. So it is allowed in Java, but only when you have to overload a method with the same set of written type or same set of data types. At that time it is not allowed. So this is all about method overloading in Java. If you have liked it, please do like it, share it. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.